Thinking of getting spacers for your car? I'm going to be sharing my experiences with them, both good and bad, so make sure you stay till the end of the video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. A lot of you might be hesitant to run spacers just like I was, and as some of you already know, I have the CTS Turbo Flush Kit. I have 12mm at the front and 15mm at the back. I got these spacers to improve the appearance of the car and the handling as well. And in terms of appearance, you guys can see how the front wheels just poke out a little bit. It does feel the wheel gaps nicely, and it gives it a certain stance. It looks performance oriented now. Definitely better than the OEM look. That's another angle. You guys can see how much the wheel sticks out. And like I mentioned before, that's a 12mm at the front, 15 at the back. That's what it looks like from the rear. So are spacers actually good for your car? At the end of the day, it comes down to the type of spacers that you get. I only recommend hub-centric spacers, and if you guys are going with hub-centric, make sure you get the recommended size for your cars. Looks aside, the car does feel much more capable now and gives you a lot of confidence at high speed. The only problem I've had so far is a slight rubbing at the front, but that's it. And yes, wider equals better. If you guys want to go really wide, just get bigger tires. Don't stress it with the spacers because that could cause damage in the future. And get a quick close-up angle here. And if you guys like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Go check out my IG at Bruce43, TikTok as well.